Hi friends, welcome to my channel. My name is Ashwani Kumar, an academy educator for the subject NTA UGC NET Electronic Science as well as the General Paper 1. If you are not yet subscribed the channel, then please do subscribe and then click on the bell icon. Then you are going to get all my updates and videos as the immediate notifications to your devices. And now while coming to the present content of the video, here I am going to show you a very good and wonderful opportunity guys. And these vacancies what I am going to show you in the government college or else in the state university, these vacancies are specially for the UGC NET or SLET or SET qualified candidates. Okay, and the importance will be given to those candidates only, not to the PhD. So please utilize this wonderful opportunity guys and share this information or this video to your friends or colleagues who are looking for the government jobs. Fine. And here the university name is Neelambar Pitambar University from the Jharkhand, and it is a state university. And from this college, here the vacancies are announced for the assistant professor recruitment. So just scroll down in the official website of this one, then you will find out here the advertisement for the appointment of assistant professor on class-based contractual basis. So click on this one, then you will be directed to the advertisement. Okay, the PDF. See guys, it is a PDF, and here advertisement for appointment of assistant professor on class-based contractual basis. And this notification was released on 14th October 2020. And here they give mention applications are invited from NET and SLET qualified candidates on purely temporary basis for the contractual appointment of assistant professor on per lecture basis in different subjects under the UG and PG programs as follows. Okay, so here the subjects are English, Hindi, Sanskrit, Urdu, philosophy, history, political science, economics, geography, psychology, home science, sociology, physics, chemistry, botany, zoology, and math and commerce. The total 94 number of vacancies are there, and if any PhD degree holders are coming, then they will be selected based upon the different level. Okay, not for the assistant professor level 10, they are going to be selected for the different level. And the application fee is 1000 rupees non-refundable and 700 rupees for the SC, ST and PH candidates. And coming to the last date of submitting the completed application form in the office of the through speed post or the registered post or by hand is 26 November 2020. So delay due to the postal delays will not be accepted. The application form can be downloaded from the university website itself. Okay, so these are the details given here guys, and it is application form that you can see here. You have to fill up this application form, and through the register post you have to send to the mentioned address in this notification, and the list of enclosures are also given here. So please check down all these details guys. So for correct and the accurate and the more details for your reference purpose, I will provide this link in the description box of this video. So you please check down. The total 94 vacancies are there only for the, especially for the NET SLET qualified candidates. Of course, the PhD candidates can also apply, but they are going to be recruited for the different level. Fine. So please share this information to your friends or colleagues who are looking for such type of opportunity. And to get the more notifications like this, please subscribe the channel, and after subscribing, tap the bell icon. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam, here one announcement follows, so please listen guys. Hi guys, my name is Ashwani Kumar and welcome to my channel. This video is especially for the candidates UGC NET Electronic Science. So the people who are going to write the exam in this 5th November 2020, here the Unacademy is providing the crash course that is titled as Crash Course on Electronic Science through Multiple Choice Questions. This course is going to start from October 1st onwards, and by this month end, the course is going to be finished. And by the starting of the November month, you will be ready with the class PDFs, and all the 10 units will be explained in brief. That means the important concepts, formulas, points, definitions, expressions, all these things we are going to discuss in this crash course, which will be very much helpful to you to crack the JRF in this 2020 guys. Okay, so apart from this one, The Unacademy is also providing the full course or else the complete course for the electronic science who are planning to write the exam in the upcoming months or the upcoming years. So here the different subscription plans are there. That is 1 month, 3 months, 6 months, 12 months and 24 months. So out of all these months, if you want to take the crash course, then you may prefer this 1 month. Or else if you are planning to write the exam in the upcoming months, you may take the 3 months, 6 months, 12 months or the 24 months. But if you are planning to take the subscription plans, then use my referral code, that is Ashwini, then you will get the 10% discount on any one of the subscription plan. Okay. So apart from these plans here, before going to take all these things, first of all, refer to my Unacademy profile link. Okay. So in my profiling, that I will provide this link in the description box of this video. So if you once enter into my profile link, then you may check down. That means here the special classes are available. Special classes are the free to everybody. Okay, so just click on the see all. Then whatever the special classes I took, that means the free classes I took, that all these classes you can access, guys. Okay. So career opportunity with UGC or non-UGC NET electronic science, and regarding the previous year questions, here the 2017, 2018 July and December 2018 and the June and December 2019, all these questions are discussed here, and these classes are completely free. Okay, so first check the way of explanation whether you are understanding here or not, and then you prefer the subscription plans, guys. Okay, so it is the update that I want to provide to the candidates belongs to the UGC NET electronic science. And for more updates, please subscribe the channel, and after subscribing tap the bell icon, and please share this information to your friends or colleagues who are going to give the exam for the UGC NET electronic science. Thank you, guys.